Hi everyone. So, as the lockdown 4 have started, and I would just like to say that again we are in this together. I already uploaded a video on my channel. You all can visit and subscribe to have more of such positive and good energy videos, I would say. So definitely we are in this together. We all will fight through. But until that time, actually, just like that video was about positivity and spreading good energies and what all you can do while you are sitting at home. It was all about the things that I could suggest from my side. There could be many others, but don't lose hope. The scientists and doctors everywhere are on their toes, and I'm sure the vaccine will be out soon. But until that time, don't forget to take all the precautions that are necessary and help out wherever you can for the people who can't afford as much as we can afford. And leaving this, I would just like to recite a poem that I wrote last time for a video, and I hope this brings smiles to your faces and it can help you come out of these bad times, because there's a lot you can do. You're never going to get this time back, this situation back. I know it has come like a bad news to us, but there's a lot you can do good about it actually, until you have to sit at home, right? So with the message of we are in this together, this poem would go like this: in these toughest time of corona, I'm with you all. We will rise again with love after this life-changing deadliest fall. As we stay at home, do these 7 things. Read, practice yoga, and meditate, as that will be the food for your healthy mind, body, and soul. Stay on it before it's too late. It's good time to reflect on yourself. Spend time with your family and spread smile. Soon all this will be over and we will be again walking life's 100 miles. The sixth and seventh could be writing that poem or a book, completing that hobby class, and the pending work and files. You will be relaxed when you will have to join back office and university with a broad smile. Request you to only share accurate information from trusted organization, as it may misguide the innocent and create unnecessary hassle in the nation. Do these 7 activities or more and stay indoor and inwards, that can save the world and we can walk again without fear upwards. Prayers and good energies for you all. Let's fight this together. Take necessary precautions, and we will be again living fearless life which matters. Have gratitude for this life and be grateful for living it. Have that video call with your friends around the globe, and you will see your face will be happily lit. Manifest the right things to fight this, and we will come true. Let's take care of our nature and Mother Earth, and let's pay its due. Let's heal the world, or heal, I would say, let's heal with the world, sending good energies and positivity so that normalcy is back. Happiness and peace flows in world's every city. So, with these prayers and with these manifestations and with these good energies, messages, I wrote this poem with all my heart. And I hope it brings to whoever come across this video a very broad smile, and you get many ideas. If you have not been doing it, I'm sure it's been more than 2 months we have been in lockdown. So maybe you must have tried many of these, or maybe many other ideas to do at home. But with that, never forget to bring smiles to the faces that can't afford what you can afford, and in whatever little you can. I hope this video can be a fresh energy for you all. amongst your daily routine. And I hope it gives you some new hope and some new ideas to carry forward. With this, again, we are in this together. Don't worry, stay positive, stay with precautions, and stay healthy. Soon we will be out of it. Bye bye.